Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm showing you how to get this look I did right here. And first off, we're going to start off with the brows, obviously. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz right there and just shaping them. And to set them, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. That's my favorite way to set my brows. Then moving on to my eyes, I'm priming with the Urban Decay I had a brain fart eyeshadow primer, and then I'm setting it with my Sonia Kashuk Eye on Neutral Matte palette. And then I'm going to just clean my brush with my Vermona color switch right there, and I'm going back into my Sonia Kashuk palette, and I'm picking up that peachy shade and starting to build my transition in my crease. Then I'm going into my Z palette and picking up Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek and buffing that into my crease as well to build up my transition. And then I'm taking the brown shade in the Sonia Kashuk palette to make it a little bit more brown instead of orange. Then I'm going on with my lid with the Lorac Daylight highlight, and that's just going to add like a nice little wash of color, a little shimmer to it without it being outrageous. And then I'm going to line my waterline with a Maybelline brown eyeliner pencil. And then I'm going to do some liner with ColourPop's Mr. Bing, and I'm just doing a thin line on my top lash line. Then I'm priming with Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm really quickly, and then I'm taking Benefit's Lemonade and putting that under my eyes to color correct. And then I'm going in with It Cosmetics CC Cream and putting that all over my face. And then I'm going in with Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation and adding some more coverage to my makeup. And then I'm just taking Maybelline Better Skin Concealer and blending that out with my Morphe sponge. And then I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and just baking my face really quickly. And while it's baking, I'm going in with my Bare Minerals powder and setting the rest of my face. To bronze, I'm taking Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's my holy grail bronzer. And then to contour, I'm going in with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I think it's the regular version. I'm pretty sure it'll be in the description. And for blush, I'm using Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. Then I forgot to do my mascara, so I'm doing it now, and I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Then I'm just dusting off the bakage right here, and then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with L'Oreal Infallible Eyeshadow and Ice Latte, and I'm highlighting my brow bone as well. Then for lips, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and then I'm going over top of that with Buxom's Gloss and Dolly. So that completes this video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.